Winter is coming. Here's a tip from Sweden to get your hands warmer during the winter season. Stand with straight arms. Point your fingers outwards and upwards. So you create a tension in your wrist here. Continue with straight, strong arms and lift your shoulders up and down, up and down, up and down. And you can feel your blood pumping by the muscles in your shoulders out to your wrists and fingers. I call it the penguin. So next time you're standing somewhere freezing, do the penguin.